Just weeks ago, Ducati made an early move toward the 2027 MotoGP regulations by testing its 850 cubic centimeters prototype at the Misano World Circuit Marco Simoncelli with veteran test rider Michel Pirot. The initial outing was focused purely on functionality, ensuring all components worked as intended before more intensive testing begins. Ducati course boss Luigi Dorligna confirmed the early signs were positive, with the bike operating normally and ready for the next development phase, which will include a new 850 cubic centimeters engine, simplified aerodynamics, sustainable fuel from Shell plc, and early evaluation of 2027 spec tires from Pirelli. Now, Aprilia has responded by putting its own 850 cubic centimeters prototype on track for the first time at the Circuito de Jerez. The bike, expected to evolve into the RS-GP 850 for the 2027 MotoGP season, was entrusted to test rider Lorenzo Savadori. This marks a crucial milestone for the Know-All factory as it begins translating months of simulation and bench testing into real-world performance data. However, Aprilia's debut did not come under ideal circumstances. Rainfall left the Jerez circuit wet, forcing the team to operate in compromised conditions. While far from perfect for performance evaluation, such scenarios can still provide valuable feedback, particularly in understanding engine delivery and chassis behavior when grip is limited. Savadori nonetheless completed several laps, giving engineers their first tangible insights into the bike's behavior on track. One of the most striking aspects of the prototype is its noticeably reduced aerodynamic complexity. This aligns with the upcoming 2027 regulations, which will enforce stricter limits on aerodynamic appendages and completely eliminate ride height devices. The version seen at Jerez is clearly still an early iteration, and with the rulebook not yet fully locked, manufacturers like Aprilia are effectively developing machines that must remain adaptable to final regulatory changes. Equally important is the debut of Aprilia's new 850 cubic centimeters V4 engine. Downsizing from the current generation is expected to significantly impact power characteristics, torque delivery, and overall race strategy. Savadori's feedback will be essential in validating whether the performance predicted by simulation tools matches real-world conditions, an area where even the most advanced models often fall short under initial testing. For now, Aprilia plans to continue its program at Jerez, hoping for improved weather to unlock more meaningful data. But the bigger picture is already taking shape. With rivals like Ducati moving early and regulations still evolving, the race toward 2027 is less about outright speed today and more about who can adapt fastest. In that context, Aprilia's wet debut may be imperfect, but it is undeniably a necessary first step in a rapidly shifting MotoGP landscape.